What is up, guys? It is Cyber Soldiers DIY Crust, and today I got a old pair of jeans here, and the size 30-30, which is pretty tight on me. And I figured I'd go ahead and cut them up since they're not really my size and stuff, and yeah, so I'm gonna cut these up here, make some patches out of them. I'm gonna buy me another pair of pants that fit me. So I wear like a size 34. So I already have one here. Pretty decent patch here. Got to already cut it up. Take the leg here, cut this up. I was thinking about washing these, but I might not. Okay, so here we go. Make about 10 patches with these. Cut it down the middle here, and then split it into 4s or 5, something like that. Alright, let's take that piece right here, cut it up, cut them in half. I need some better scissors. I got these little pink scissors. I love pink. Yeah. Usually I just cut a little bit and then, ooh, that was dusty. Did y'all see that dust coming out of these pants? Anyways, okay, so we got this right here. We can cut it to about right here. That's a pretty decent size right there. And then, yeah. So we'll just cut that one at a decent
oh my god.
Alright. Doesn't have to be perfect, because later on I'll trim it up. That's pretty decent. It's like 3 by 4 or 5 inches. We got some decent patches here. Okay. And then cut this one in half. You know? It's just that these pants are so dusty. You know, I never washed them. Ever since I got them, I never washed them. You're not supposed to wash crust. You're only supposed to wash them like once a year or something like that, or 2 times a year. But here we go. And I like the fact that it has the strings coming out, stuff like that. Makes them look cool, stuff. All this dust is making my nose itch for some reason. But anyways, all right. So we got this right here, really dusty, right here. I'm gonna cut this one at a decent spot. Okay. There we go. That's pretty big. Alright, so I have this back. Okay. Not my president. Fuck Donald Trump patch. I'm gonna be putting this on my jacket. I don't know, but I'm saving that one. I guess it's time for the back of this one. Ooh, sweaty. I need some better scissors, man. Scissors is ass. Even though the color is nice, you know. Alright, so rip this off. Ooh, that dust. It's crazy. I need to wash my hands, man. Okay. Ooh. All that dust, man. Alright, guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 patches right here. From the front, from actually the back side of both legs of the pants. These were by far the crustiest, not the crustiest, but the dirtiest, dustiest patches I've ever cut up. I never washed these pants, and it's been like 2 months in the dust for me, just walking in the sun and on the dust and stuff. You know, when it hasn't been raining and stuff. So yeah, that's why they're so dusty. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Thanks for watching.